Do you work with personal data such as customers' names and addresses? The GDPR, or AVG in Dutch, states you must record how you process these data. To do so, you make a processing register. Alex just started a business. He and his employee, Ayoub, sell laptops online and in his store. Let's see how he sets up his processing register. He finds a template online. At the top of the sheet, he writes down who is responsible for processing personal data. Under Processing Activity, he describes every business process that involves the use of personal data. Alex sells products online, sends out newsletters, and pays his employee, Ayoub. Next, he describes why he processes data, whose data he processes, and the type of data he uses. For example, to inform customers about discounts, he uses their email addresses. He uses their home addresses for deliveries, and he uses Ayoub's bank details to pay his wages. Under Recipients, he lists the organisations or persons that also have access to this data, for example, the shipping company Alex uses. Then, he fills in the retention period. He has to save sales administration details for 7 years. For tax purposes, he is legally required to do so. Under Security Measures, Alex describes how the personal data are protected in each processing activity. Last but not least, Alex needs to lay down the legal basis that allows him to process the data. Alex saves his processing register. He is done, for now. He will update it every time a business activity changes or a new one is added. This way, Alex continues to process personal data in a safe and secure manner. For more information, visit kvk.nl/English/GDPR.